Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been looking forward to filming this video for weeks at this point, but this morning I was like, after you get ready, it is time to sit down and do it. So you know that I love my Maybelline mascaras. My favorites are always generated from that brand, and I recently got a new one, the Maybelline Curl Bounce. So this arrived a couple of weeks ago. It is a washable mascara in the shade Blackest Black. It looks like an arched soft bristle wand, and it is supposed to deliver big volume, bouncy curl, and up to 24-hour wear. All the mascaras I've been using are basically dried out, so I'm actually in the market for a new one. Hopefully this becomes a fave. So let's just cut right to the chase. We're gonna open this baby up. Okay, not to sound weird, but this kind of reminds me of a tampon, but I also kind of like it. I don't know, it has a really good feel to it. It's really sturdy, it's got a nice grip. Sometimes when mascaras are too small, like this one, it's just hard to control. When there's a really nice grip, a really good base, for me, I find it easier to work with. Let's check out this wand. Ooh, it's not as fluffy as it looked on the package, but I kind of feel like my lashes are gonna love it. Let's just test it out. I'm gonna do a couple coats on each eye. Here we go. Alright, that is one coat on this eye, and I like the distribution. I feel like it was pretty evenly applied. It's definitely gonna be a 2-coat mascara. Maybe even a 3, but that's not out of the ordinary for me. There are very few mascaras I can get away with 1 coat. I'm gonna do the bottom lashes at the end, but I'm gonna let this sit just for a sec before going in with the 2nd coat, and then I'll clean up the eyelid. I do notice after 1 coat that this eye looks much wider. Is it just me? Doesn't it look like way more open? I could be imagining that. All right, 2nd coat. Alright, 2nd coat definitely brings the wow. The lashes are starting to look a little crooked. They're not as uniform as I was hoping they would be. I'm liking this mascara. I'm liking it. I'm not loving it. I honestly had really high hopes. I mean, it looks fine. I wouldn't say this is a bad mascara, but I'm not totally obsessed with the results. Alright, let's do 1 more coat. Sometimes the 3rd one just seals the deal. The 3rd coat and the bottom lashes definitely took the look to the next level. One of the hardest things with mascara is knowing when to stop, and I know it's time to stop now. It looks pretty good. Let me get a Q-tip and clean it up real quick. I'm gonna go do my other eye and then come back and give you my final thoughts. All right, both eyes are done, and I actually really love how they turned out. I'm not sure if I'm loving it because I just love how I look with mascara, or if I'm loving it because the product is actually great. This is one of those things that I'm gonna have to use a few more times before I get a really good hold on it. But off the bat, I will say that I like it. It's no total temptation, but it's cool. If I had to rate it, I think I would give it like a 6.5 out of 10. The formula was fine. I think it coated the lashes pretty well. It wasn't too liquidy and it wasn't too dry, so the formula gets an A in my book. The wand is okay. There's nothing special about it. There's really no unique design or crazy bristles. It's just a pretty standard wand. It worked well on my eyes. I think it coated all my lashes pretty evenly. I do think a little more structure in the bristles, like maybe some harder plastic pieces, would have helped to comb through and better distribute and separate the lashes. I think they're a little clumpy in some areas. Again, not terrible, but just something that I noticed. I do have to say that I love the packaging. Something about this tube is just really fun and different. It feels really sturdy. I feel like I could throw it in my bag. I just really like it. I haven't done a quick product review in a long time, and I'm hoping to start doing a few more of them because I find them so helpful. I can't tell you how many times in recent weeks I've been scouring YouTube looking for a quick review of a product, so I know if they're helping me out, they're probably helping some of you out. Overall, good mascara, not a great one. Don't think I'd rush out to buy this, and probably would not repurchase it again. I would recommend the Total Temptation from Maybelline instead. But that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see from me. Oh, before I forget, because I always get questions, my manicure. I did this on my recent live mani. This is Lights Lacquer Dear Diary, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous lilac lavender purple. I'm so in love with it. I will link it below, and you can always get 10% off at lightslacquer.com by using code Amanda. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one.